Hi everyone, my name is Sharon. I'm with Demi Mass Dance, and in today's Bachata tutorial video, we will be talking about the delayed turn. Hi, so today's video is on the Bachata delayed turn. So as opposed to the regular turn that you would do in a side-to-side basic that starts on counts 4 or count 8, the delayed turn happens on counts 3 and 7. Also different from the regular turn, the delayed turn is more of on-the-spot turn, whereas the regular bachata turns are a step-through turn. So let me just review the regular bachata turn first. I'm going to do it on the follow timing. So I'm going to turn around and I'm going to travel to the right first. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then from 4 I could do a turn, just a regular turn, 5, then 6, 7, 8. So we call that a step through turn because we're turning 180 degrees at each step. And if I do it on count 8, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now the delayed turn, as I mentioned, is a spot turn on counts 3 and 7. So on the follow timing, 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's a very quick turn, and if you have difficulty with your balance, you could actually tap out on 4 instead of at 180 degrees instead of turning a full 360. Now let me show you what I mean. So you could go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you could do that even if you're being led and you feel the lead wanting you to do a turn on 3, you could tap out instead of trying to fully turn on the spot until you're more comfortable or feel more balanced with this move. So we could also do it on this side. So we'll start with the basic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I'm going to turn on 7, 7, and then tap 8, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I could also tap out 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's do it from this angle so you can see it. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm just going to do a basic. 6, 7, 8. Delayed turn on 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 with a tap. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now basic. Now delayed turn on 7, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 with the tap. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now from the front, so basic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 with the tap. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now basic. Now delayed turn on count 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The tap. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now doing this delayed turn, what will help you with your balance is trying to, especially if you're doing the full 360, is to, as you're turning, try to keep your head looking forward and then whipping your head around to help for you to spot in one place. is a way to help you maintain your balance. Now, when you're being led into this move, your lead, 1, 2, he will have his hand up onto already, so that you know that something is happening for you to turn on 3, and you will feel like a quick a lead to make you do a quick turn. Whereas a regular turn, the lead will have your hand up on 4, and you know that it's going to be not a super quick turn as you go through. Now, you can also, the lead could also lead you into a regular turn followed by a delayed turn. So in this case, you could do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7, 8, and then a basic. 7, 8. So you could do a combination of the turns as well. I think I should add, I just showed only the follow timing for the delayed turn, but leads also can do the delayed turn to themselves while they're dancing. So this is a great turn that you can practice on your own. So practice maintaining your balance, practice maintaining your focus as you turn quickly, or just starting off with the turn, tap, and turn until you get more comfortable doing the 360-degree turn on counts 3 or 7. So with that said, let's put those moves to music. That video on the delayed turn. For more information on the classes that we offer, please visit our website at demimasdance.ca and check us out on Facebook at Demimas Dance Studio and on Instagram at Demimas Dance. Thanks for watching.